ESPGHAN is a place where friends meet and innovation starts.
You can find here novel knowledge, new approaches in basic science and translational medicine to perform new studies to benefit the field of pediatric GI.
Attending is really a great experience, hear from experts, share with our peers on the field.
To meet friends and colleagues from Europe, but also beyond, learn from others, but get support from others too. That's the spirit of ESPGHAN.
We'll have fun together, there will be also a lot of knowledge there.
Discussing with people, listening new ideas, meeting friends, meeting new people you never met before.
Anyone who is just beginning their careers, take this opportunity because it will change your life.
I'm delighted to invite all to attend ESPGHAN annual meeting in Lille, France.
Nous vous attendons tous à Lille en juin prochain.